This house was designed to escape the sun, but without closing itself off from it. This is Soul House, designed by the Ranch Mine in Phoenix, Arizona. And here, the name already reveals part of the story, Soul, because this house does not ignore the desert sun. It works with it, controls it, filters it, and uses shade as an essential part of the design. The entrance is recessed, more protected, with angled walls that direct the path. You do not enter straight into a completely open space. The house prepares the arrival, controls the rhythm. The house is located in the Willow Historic District, an urban area of Phoenix with nearby houses, active streets, and a very hot climate for much of the year. So here, the office had a very clear challenge: to create an open house, but protected, connected to the outdoors, but without being too exposed. The solution was to organize everything around a courtyard. The house has a U-shaped plan. The spaces embrace this central area, and this is where life truly happens. The courtyard is not leftover space. It is not just landscaping. It is the center of the house. It is where the spaces open. It is where light, air, and shade enter. One of the most important elements is the wide cantilevered overhang. It extends over the courtyard, creates shade, protects from direct sun, and allows the outdoor space to be used for longer throughout the day. This is essential in Phoenix because opening the house without protection would not make sense. The heat would be excessive. Here, the openness only works because there is shade. The social area is directly connected to this space. Living room, kitchen, dining area, everything works together, and large openings allow the interior to extend outward. When these doors open, the courtyard is no longer just outside. It becomes part of the house. The materials follow this same logic: light surfaces, concrete, glass, metal elements, and simple finishes. Nothing is excessive. Everything reinforces a clean, direct architecture suited to the climate. The house also uses ventilation to its advantage. The open side of the courtyard allows the breeze to move through the spaces, and the U-shaped plan helps create a more protected area while still keeping it ventilated. It does not close itself off completely. It creates a more controlled exterior. The house is urban, but it tries to create a calmer experience, more inward-facing, more connected to the climate and to daily use. In the end, Soul House is simple to understand. It does not try to escape the desert. It learns how to live with it, creates shade, controls the light, organizes the house around a courtyard, and shows that in a hot place like Phoenix, the most important thing is not to open everything. It is knowing how to open.